So guys, here is my kitungu for the stew. It's ready. Here's the chicken, boneless. Usipate koroga tu. Ndio huko tu. So we're going to wait pan to brown. Then we add our ingredients and spice. Yeah, my meat is almost there. So I'm adding my garlic and ginger paste there. Then I'll stir. So guys, when it is golden brown, I'm going to add my blended tomato, coriander, and hoho, capsicum, I guess. There, then I'll let it boil. So guys, my chicken is boiling. Yeah. Nataka ikaangike vizuri, and then I'll add tomato paste, yeah, and spice. Mwambe ni moto. Yeah. So guys, please continue subscribing to my channel, watch my video. Look how delicious it is. Like, comment and share for more of these videos. It's just simple stew from Okimo. Yeah. So guys, here it is. I'm adding tomato paste. Jeera. We are adding jeera. Yeah, cumin seed. And curry powder. Unaweza sikia umeweka mingi. Tutatest. Don't forget your salt. So guys, today we are adding something different. It's an Ethiopian pili to make this stew spicy. There it is. There it is. So my stew is spicy today. And then you add water, let it simmer, and your stew is ready. At least make it thick. So guys, continue subscribing to my channel, like, share and comment. Bye.